Good morning.
And welcome to another episode of Tsum Tsum Obsessed, or day 11 of the Advent calendar. And whose turn is it?
Jacob's?
Jacob?
I guess Jacob's not going to do it though, so we are going to move on to somebody else because he is too busy playing his game.
Okay, go open.
Go open it.
So
11.
Stitch!
You mean gingerbread Stitch?
It is gingerbread Stitch. Look at this. He's got like a gingerbread man suit on. How so cute is that? So he's got like this. And
With a little bow tie underneath.
Oh yeah, he's got a little bow tie. So we got gingerbread man Stitch.
Nice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow morning for day 12.
Bye.